Well, students, today you will learn about animal tissues. Okay? So, first of all, let us see how many types of animal tissues are there. So, you can see there are four basic types of animal tissues: epithelial tissues, muscular tissues, connective tissues, and the nervous tissues. So, these are classified on the basis of types of cells, amount of intercellular materials, and their functions. Now, you will talk one by one about each and every one. But first of all, I will discuss about epithelial tissues. Okay? So, have a look. Epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissues. This tissue is composed of a continuous layer of cells that covers the outer surface of the body as well as line the internal organs, and the cells of these tissues are closely packed with no intercellular spaces, and based upon the shape of the cell, because the shapes of these tissues are maybe flat, hexagonal, irregular, okay, columnar, cuboidal. So, based upon this, again, epithelial tissues, look at are three types. The first one is squamous epithelium. Next is columnar epithelium. And third one is cuboidal epithelium. So, squamous epithelium, columnar epithelium, and cuboidal epithelium. These are the three types of epithelial tissues, and this has been classified based upon the shape of the cell. So, look at first of all the squamous epithelium. In surface view, the cells appear flat, hexagonal, or irregular. Hexagonal having how many sides? 6 sides. Hexa means 6. So, look at this is the surface view. this way. So, they, in the surface view, they appear as hexagonal. In columnar epithelium, the cells are, the length of the cell are much more than their width. You can see the length of the cell is much more than their width, and the nucleus, which is present towards the base of the cell. Okay? And the cells, you can see, they are placed side by side like columns. Columns means pillars. And that's why they are called what? Columnar epithelium. And cuboidal epithelium, look at. Here the height of the cell is almost equal to its width, which gives the side view gives an appearance of a square. Okay, so based upon the shape of the cells, the epithelial tissues are of three types: squamous epithelium, columnar epithelium, and cuboidal epithelium. Okay, the squamous epithelium, these are found in the inner lining of the heart, lungs, esophagus. Columnar epithelium you will find in the lining of the intestine. Okay? And cuboidal epithelium you will find this type of tissues are found in thyroid gland, in kidney tubules, in salivary glands. Okay? So these are about your epithelial tissues. Next is muscular tissue. Muscular tissues. This tissue is involved in the movement of all types of movement of the body and its parts, and these are present in the muscles of our hands, legs. Okay, so they bring about movement. Let's see, there are three types of muscular tissues, and they are: the first one is voluntary muscles. Voluntary muscles. The second one, involuntary. Involuntary muscles. And the third one is cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles. So voluntary, involuntary, and cardiac, there are three types of muscular tissues. Voluntary muscles, why are they called voluntary muscles? because these muscles are under our control or will. These muscles, so where are they found? They are found in our hands, in our legs, which are under our control. That's why they are called what? Voluntary muscles. They are attached to the bones, and that's why they are also called which muscles? Skeletal muscles. Skeletal muscles, voluntary muscles, or you can say skeletal muscles, or since some striations are present in these muscles, striations, that is dark and light bands are present. That's why they are also called striated muscle, striate muscles. Okay. Next is involuntary muscles. Involuntary. Why are they called involuntary? Because these muscles are not under our control or will, because they are found in the internal organs, in your alimentary canal. Can we control the movement of the alimentary canal? We can never control the movement of the alimentary canal. So the muscles present over there, okay, they are called involuntary muscles. Okay, or since they do not have any striations, that's why they are also called unstriated muscles. Unstriated muscles. Now, a very special type of muscles, that is your cardiac muscles, present in the heart only. That's why it is found, this type of muscle, that is cardiac muscle, is found in the heart, and you might be knowing about the heart that pumps blood throughout the body, isn't it? So this type of muscles, what is special about these muscles? That these muscles do not get fatigued. That means do not get tired. No, because the heart is pumping blood throughout our lifetime. We pump blood throughout our lifetime. So cardiac muscles, okay, these are found only in where? Heart, your heart. So there these three types of muscular tissues: voluntary muscles, involuntary muscles, and cardiac muscles. Next, connective tissues. Connective, as the name says, to connect. This tissue joins different parts of the body, and they also fill up the space between the organs. But connective tissues are different from other tissues. Why they are different? Because these tissues have cells which are separated from each other, and the space between the cells are filled up with the ground substance or matrix, you can say. So these tissues are different from other tissues. Okay, connective tissues are again classified into three types. Look at the first one is connective tissue. Connective tissue proper. Second is your skeletal tissue. and the third one, fluid connective tissue. Okay? So these are the important types of connective tissue. Connective tissue proper is skeletal tissue and fluid connective tissue. I will make you understand one by one. So first of all, connective tissue proper. Look at connective tissue proper it is again classified into the following types. Look at the first one is areolar tissue, areolar. The second one, yellow fibrous tissue. Third one, white fibrous tissue. The fourth one, adipose tissue. Adipose tissue. Okay? So connective tissue proper has again been classified into these categories. The first one is areolar tissue, then yellow fibrous tissue, next white fibrous tissue, and adipose tissue. Areolar tissue is the most widely distributed tissue. Okay, which binds the skin with the underlying organs, and it also acts as a film material because it fills up the space between the organs. Clear? Yellow fibrous tissue, these are found in ligaments. Ligaments, ligaments. You might be knowing, which connect one bone to another bone. So this type of tissue found in ligament. White fibrous tissue, this is found in tendons, okay, which connect your muscles to the bones. Okay, they are found in tendons. And adipose tissues, okay, it is primarily located beneath the skin. Excess of fat is stored in the adipose tissues, you might be knowing. So this tissue, adipose tissue, insulates and cushions the body and also fill up the space between the organs. So these are the main types of connective tissue proper. Next we have skeletal tissue. Skeletal tissue, well, it forms the endoskeletal unit which supports our body. So it forms the endoskeleton, and there are two main types of skeletal tissues. They are, the first one is your cartilage, and the second one, bones. So bones and cartilage are the two main types of your skeletal tissues, which forms our the endoskeleton, internal skeleton of the vertebrates. So cartilage and your bones. Cartilage is your non-porous tissue, but it has much flexibility, and on the other hand, bones are hard, it's porous tissues, okay? Harder than the cartilage, and cartilage you might be knowing, they are present at the tip of your nose, okay? You can feel the flexibility in your pinna, that is your external ear pinna. Look at, you check the flexibility, okay? So very flexibility it has, but bone is hard. Now, your humerus bone, tibia, humerus radius ulna, your femur bone, okay? So bones are harder than the cartilage. So cartilage, it prevents shocks of the bones, that is in our limbs, they reduce friction between the bones, okay? And bones you might know, they support the body and provide help in the movement, okay? So these are the two types of skeletal tissues. Next is fluid connective tissues. You can see fluid connective tissues. The skeletal tissue there are said to be solid connective tissues, but the fluid connective tissues is again classified into two groups. The first one is your blood. Blood is what is blood? Blood is a fluid connective tissue, and the second one is your lymph. Okay? So blood and lymph are the fluid connective tissues. Now, okay, blood, it consists of 55% plasma, P-L-A-S-M-A, plasma, okay, which is the liquid part of the blood. And in the plasma, you will find the three types of cells. So, first of all, we'll start with blood into plasma and blood cells, or you can say blood corpuscles. Okay? So, plasma 55%, and in plasma you will find blood corpuscles. There are three types of blood cells found in the plasma, and they are, look at, the first one is erythrocytes. Erythrocytes or RBCs. In class 6, you were taught in blood chapter now. Erythrocytes or RBCs, the full form is red blood cells or corpuscles. Okay? The second one, lymphocytes or WBCs, that is white blood cells, the full form. And third one, thrombocytes or platelets, P-L-A, platelets. So three types of cells you will find in plasma. They are erythrocytes or RBCs, red blood cells, lymphocytes or WBCs, that white blood cells, and thrombocytes or platelets. Okay? So erythrocytes, why do you call red blood cells? Because of the presence of hemoglobin. The color is red, that's why it is called what? Red blood cells. and erythrocytes or RBCs help in the transportation of O2 and CO2, that is CO2 from the cells and O2 from the lungs to the different parts of the body. Leukocytes or WBCs, they are actually the soldiers of our body which help fight infection. They destroy the germs, okay? And thrombocytes or platelets, they help in the clotting of blood, okay? Next is your lymph. Blood without, it can be called, lymph can be called blood without RBCs, okay? Blood without RBCs, that means no hemoglobin is present, but lymph plays a vital role to fight infection in our body. Okay? So this is about your fluid connective tissues. Next is your nervous tissues. So nervous tissues, dear students, they help to control and coordinate the body. They are made up of long nerve cells which are called neurons. So neurons are the structural unit of the nervous system. Okay, so let's see the structure of a neuron. Okay, dear students, 1 minute I have. So you can see the structure of a neuron. This is your nucleus. This is cytosol or cell body. Okay, some processes you will find that is your dendron, and dendron further branch to form what? Dendrites. And one of the extensions is longer than the rest one, you can see, and this extension is called what? Axon. Okay, and these are the axon terminals. So this is the structure of a neuron. So the function of neuron is to receive the stimuli from within or outside the body and to send the impulse to different parts of the body. So that's all the different types of animal tissues, question, answers. Okay, I have sent you. You go through all the questions and answers. That will be now easier for you to understand. Okay, thank you.